So this will be our home page where we have our company name, our motto, and a welcome for the users. Then we have items suggested to users. The users can click the arrow to view more items over here. And this will be about us. Now we'll go to the seller listing. Seller listing is whereby the seller can post list of items that they want to sell to the buyer. And buyer can look for them through different categories or countries. So now for example, we click on one item. After clicking on the item, it will show the item's picture, the item's name, the item's price and quantity. You can add a decrease. Yeah, then you have reviews over here. And here will be a add to cart where a buyer confirm that they want the item. But this button will be a different for buyer listing, because buyer listing is whereby buyer post the item that they want seller to help them bring back for overseas. So the button will change to offer to help. So when seller click the offer to help, means that they are willing to help the buyers purchase the product from overseas. So now we give the example of adding the truck. So we press it. Then it will go to a payment page for the buyer. The buyer will pay from here. However, it will be different for the seller after they press offer to help under the buyer list. They will jump to this page where it shows that you have accepted the offer, where they will show the price of the offer, the quantity of the offer. And seller will have to give the details about when they will be returning to Singapore so that the buyer know approximately where they can get the goods. Then they will have to choose a mailing option. So if the seller choose Ninja Van, which is one of the company that we work with, or the seller choose Meetup. Meetup for seller, we have put a note that the seller has to confirm the location with the buyer through communication, like the chat box. Then after all this, they selected, they can press offer to help.